Yeah, good day everyone, go by the name Skywell. If you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is the account of one of my students who got my software, my affiliate marketing software and my video course, and I started earning already. Yes, so remember I say I manage accounts for students also. So if you are my student, if you get my video course and my software and you need account management, or maybe you don't have a laptop, or you need assistance. If you need assistance on your account, yes, you can pay for account management. I manage accounts for my students also. Yes, I manage accounts also. So remember, if you want to get the software today to start earning, because if you do not learn, you won't earn. So if you want to start earning today, learn and buy my video course and my software today. You can always contact me on my Gmail at skywell07@gmail.com, or text me on my Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skywell07@gmail.com, and text me on my Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.